Alaikum. Mobile long account and albadi malem Silvo Sonko aka by Sonko Gambia. Mbali unko sina bifa na sekacha some of the key concerns kulmili alonko ibe caring na banko kan beshina na kan fai because ning banko ya nyat linkula me ya lonko is a cause of concern to every citizen. So it's important for Mbesina be na part of story in Kafu because akumara bakele nyimbanko ntole tamu anu ntole fanansa nyimbanko ntole sa bondino anu ba bondla nyama walbe kela katonya fo nyoy. And today lafta kawo kujama balel fintindi wala tina bela flamena wala nyindiko mobe sallama yani hakilo le baki mobe sallama yani hakilo le baki because akumata bakele ning tembo me yalonko menna polisol jekan mayala me yalonko amanta ka bango sambanyato akumata bakele pour mbe na kan wulindi mbe kan wulindi na diam kula me yalonko wolbe kering kunun polisol manyana fulatan kunun biya foten polisol nyanda kuma kilindo na fula wala nyindiko mobe na fabe damento Gambia be na fabe damento. The police cannot be allowed to be dula damento yalonko bitalla fasa rola kekan. This is why we will give you an update. But before update, let me just give you Adamadun ibe kukuru nankekan. You have to be real in it. Nayandi Allah follow for the meantime. Okay, badulu ala baraka bake niaje nayin musical play na play kula kama, and I think it's important call for them for more because come nga fanya mendo nyimbango onto letamu no mbenda hal ka nyo filindi because nyo filindo mon ku nyimbango kanjang wala tina nibe kukuru nimfola drong si hakildo alongo ntolu bi joran le bembulu Jerome Melialonko, it will always betalla ka molu hakilo blende kununa. Betalla ka molu hakilo blende kununa. But because nanyim play yamen, bella fla dalong aliela moy the IGP of Gambia Police Force, Sidi Toure, aliela moy afanana. Because it's very important. Because IGP la diamo mbe ya moyle. IGP Sidi Toure, ala diamo mbe la ya moy nyola. Ay kuma kamol Melialonko ay wolle fo.
Violent rhetorics, insulting our elders, insulting our leaders, must have to desist in this country. And I am saying this, there will be no selective justice. Rule for one, rule for all. And if anyone dare to challenge this statement from the Inspector General of Police, as soon as we finish this press briefing, you can go in the air and start insulting elders of this country. We will not relent. We will execute our functions as law enforcement elements of this country.
Okay, guys. Albelo Moinyola, that is the IGP of the Gambia Police Force, 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 Toure. Nyelam IGP, the IGP Mea Longo, atlemu Gambia Police Force la nyaton kodi. Atelemu Gambia Police Force la nyaton kodi. Ali alo kuma kama moile tumola Mea Longo akete IGP. But bill left it wrong, ning Gambia Police ole kacha. Ning IGP kacha na hakilu blandi. Because na bulle je Mea Longo abe caring abe mewulula sama mbeyo lonne. Abe mewulula sama mbeyo lonne. Anu mo alfan tante banko kanjande. Momo be nyim banko kanya alfale bela. Momo be nyim banko kanya mole wulu. Momo be nyim banko kanya ebota dulaleto. Ebota dulaleto. Imo police officer tibang, imo security officer tibang, imo army tibang, imo meomenti. Mole wulu alfale bela andung imari nyenta dulala mutala nyim banko kang. But remember Kerim Badulu, let's just start where it starts. Badinga Miankol. Albea Kalamdanu Jan. The Gambia Police Force. The Gambia Police Force. Yenda Silvo Sonko Mutajane. Ye Mamade Savali Mutajane. Ye Madi Jobata Mutajane. Ye Bora Mutajane. Ye Nim Mol Milialon ke be for ye Mutamila ila Kumakao. Ye Mutamila ila Safe. Yentolbe mutanunja wala. Ikon tolie kumakan lefo meya lonko. Ukumakan nim banko la lua manta. Bari yentol muta wati la wati meya lonko. Sidi mutar fon manke nu IGPT. Sidi mutar fon manke nu IGPT. Utumo sidi mutar fon man kumakan fo. Gambia Police Force wole muta. Yem muta iko because na safero menke. Yem muta iko because na kumakan melfo. Ni Gambia banko kanjang. Gambia Police Force wala yoke. Basa mbadi unba nyinin kala. Kabren Gambia Police Force entol command because young command le monta arrest de. They call me. Young command le. Anu ndamu Gambia diongolet. Nim police ol young commandi nyenda tala kan kuma. The police have never arrested me in my life. And I'm not sort of Gambia Police Force into arrest. And I'm not sort of Gauda police ol into arrest. All the cases Melialon involved Vacono, the police will come commandile and I come and answer to them. Because the cookle in Lalo, and the Montabor in Bangkoka. Mekukur Ninkela, Nka Lone, Nka Memfo, Nkalo Nenka Baramen. And Nungava police will yellow, Ningatarande Kumafo, Meya Lonko, and Lua Manta. Let's go and face the law. And in someone, Lua face. So Gambia Police Force Namante in the arrest. All my detention akaka menti wala mnyintiko police le kan commandi telephone la ibe muntole sur le telele nana ndango police ma nana ndango police ma Babakar Bakhum ñin dinin kulubalo ñin alfantan mole me ya lonk a metale ka alfa nanyim banko kanjang a metale ka saferol ke safer nya jawul ke nyim banko kanjang bar nam nan Gambia police force mu take commande kaatu milebe kering Baboucarr Bahum amu NPP lati Baboucarr Bahum abe menke kan akake Adama Barole aka momo nan nyim banko kanjang akenen president Adama Barole ta ay nandir ka momo wala jang alon ko president Barole ya ki alon ko IGP Sidi Touré la ya ki alon ko Sidi Ndiaye la ya ki alon ko Gambia police force la ya ki I will never get to say this because nem Baboucarr Bahum ka law ka fa mo ko Gambia police force ta commandila Gambia police force will never arrest him and we have seen that mbe nyaayo jele jumala nyaama o jejang jumala nyaama o jejang jumala nyaama o jenyim banko kanjang but because mnekata Baboucarr Bahum ko atem NPP supportality ataka bula NPP le noma Baboucarr Bahum la ni minister ka yayi iko ka NPP la projectol tandi mon la banko kanjang wala ya tinna Baboucarr Bahum is above the law wala ya tinna Baboucarr Bahum is above the law if the Gambia police force can put me in communicado for more than 72 hours yenta muta yendindi kasola man fenke man mo sunya man alfa neng kadu mota volonté alfa la neng but because Baboucarr Bahum president Barole ya ki ka Gambia alfa neng president Barole ya ki ka kiyankol neng Gambia president Barole ya ki ka Lawyer Ousainou Darboe neng president Barole ya ki ka Mama Kandeh neng president Barole ya ki pour ka nyi nendro me aka beke but IGP Sidi Touré ya ki pour ka Gambiankol neng IGP Sidi Touré ya ki pour ka kiyankol neng IGP Sidi Touré ya ki pour que Lawyer Ousainou Darboe neng IGP Sidi Touré nala molu wala ya ki pour que Gambia alfa be neng wala ya ki ndelata wala ko wala ya ki niajon ko ndelata ko wala ya ki kadu mina ya tinna Gambia police force en dundi men kono mina ya tinna man Baboucarr Bahum dundi wo kono mina ya tinna Gambia police force ye Mamadou Sabal dundi men kono mina ya tinna man Baboucarr Bahum dundi wo kono mina tinna Gambia police force ye Ibrahima Diba dundi men kono mina tinna Baboucarr Bahum ma wo face let's call a spade betonya la folo nyoy but Baboucarr Bahum be symbole koma abe sembe jumala koma abe NPP symbole koma abe sembe jumala koma abe president Barrow symbole koma abe president Barrow symbole koma amantara sembe koma na menke president Barrow symbole bari ntolmu opposition oleti ntolmu alpha soto ntolmu badin soto ntolmu mosoto membe ntol fasala bar ntolu manke mod me yalon ko nyim banko luwale ntol kanta beton yala folo yoy ye Baboucarr Bahum kumandi ko Baboucarr Bahum ye Gambe be neng ay kiyankol be neng ay Ousainou Darboe neng ay mo be neng nyim banko kanjang Baboucarr Bahum Gambia police force ma kumandi je fo ya menten tata honorable member tata diamda polisole koye Baboucarr Bahum kumandi within next minute mo fon maje mota fulo koye Baboucarr Bahum je Gambia police force the headquarters the next minute Baboucarr Bahum ya save ala Facebook page balako polisole ata kumandi ata danko polisole ma ya bail yoko sama eta report but milati na Gambia police force kabale ntemuta alamante bail o lungo fon milati na kabale Ibrahima Diba bula muta o lungo fon alma Ibrahima Diba bail but minatina kabale madi jobate muta o lo fon alma madi jobate bail alma bail diala but minatina kabale bora muta alma bail di bora le o lo fon because Gambia police force are hypocrites sidi mu hypocritolity aka memfa dala anaka bara men aman killing they are people men they are playing double standard fala malaka jumala ne jam. They are all playing double standard. You want to eat here, you want to eat here also. That is what is going on in the Gambia police force. Alkalaka juma ala filindi, albuka Gambian call filindi. You think you are serving a political position? No, hell no. You are not serving a political position, but you are serving the public. But your man left killing a public tema. Albe fania fasa lela. Almantaka tonya fasa. Nal finti alkalka mugambian ko lenene. Gambia police force, we all know. You people are politicians. Alma political kensa wotron alkafunyadi. And I can tell you examples why I mean go Gambia police force be political. Deputy IGP of police. Yeah, Deputy IGP jam. Be metan moment kono amanya na tata police kono. But the Milatina Deputy IGP be police be. Because of what? Because of aka President Barola political segment to ya. Because of be aka doko ke President Barole. Because of be President Barola left a kukurun kala aka tele use. Milatina landing bojan. Milatina mon contrat ko di landing bojan na. Milatina mon contrat ko di landing bojan na, but the contrat ko di Deputy Police I mean IGP la Momodou Sow. Men ne contrat ko di ala. Because minakata aka President Barola agenda fasa. Because minakata aka President Barola patio fasa. But for NPP ta mnyim bankoti. And I will tell you, me kuma jama bale folo jambi wana nko alila moy nani hakilola. Sidi ture munafiko leti. Amantara ka tonya fasa, amantara ka balu tonya la. Abe balu kan fenna le me yalonko amange siloti. They are all hypocrites. Nafiki kensa olem. They will send them police for them mulmalong. Alka juma le nene jang. And you people think you will put fear in us. No momo ya meron you can put fear in us. Ike fong le nene. Momo ya lonko. Ya meron nu. Ikan to le nene. Ike fong le nene. Katalo media nyato. Ha na momo jang. Momo e mo jang. Go. Ba homi ya Gambian ko lenen. Ba homi ya sate mu mo lenen. Ba homi ya tundo la mu me onen jang. But Bahum doesn't spend even 1 hour in the Gambia police force. For Bahum is above the law. Imam Bahum arrest. Nde kuma fo. Iko in the arrest. If you want tomorrow, come and arrest me. Hell no. Come and arrest me if you want. Bahum yo kulubali yake. Bahum yo kiyam kolbenen. Woli yo jellebe laring kiyam banko kan. Mo kendo jellebe laring kiyam banko kan. Alpha kendo jellebe kiyam kono. Bahum ko wol, they are ungrateful. Bahum ko wolu man la fi arjana la. But wol bebe falale ibe kala sebu tode. Wala nyinti ko wol be falale bebe ta jahannama. Sidi Touré itama wo kuma kawo moy. Sidi Touré itama wo nafi ima wo kulubali akumo moy Bahum la. But Bahum la nyum kulubali akumo ale Bahum kumandi alko ale Bahum kumandi mo ma kala muta Bahum kana ala social media faka fako ha police len kumandi le kabiyen kumandi yembel the very day we are watching nasi jang falbe mola muta la jang kotanke ale o mari sitendi for more than 5 hours member na diam ta jan ale member na muta for how many days member na bal buloko akata bella alkasindi bella for how many hours falmalon kongo molle be police mel yalon ko mo kendol le wolti and they are always watching atol police ol fongol atol IGP fongol mel yalon ko albe nyokanje al molle be mel yalon ko they are very genuine and they know all what is going on is hypocrisy abe nafiki ya kensen alka jumala nene jang bahum fisata jumalati bahum barakata jumalati mo den kurmo barakata jumalati Bahum nyon den kurungol be solo nyim banko kanja Bahum nyon mo moli balo be solo nyim banko kanja mo moli balo membe ko Bahum atol Gambia police force la kaw sementu ya nyim banko kanja President Barrow la kaw sementu ya nyim banko kanja Sidin Jay la kaw sementu ya nyim banko kanja mo bataro membe ko Bahum akabe batara ya kala nyim banko kanja alcool ka support wala kanja na sin no kongo jibe na sin na komo jibe Niatara Bahum la barakata ntolti nyim banko kanja niatara Bahum la barakata kiyandi multi nyim banko kanja odo koyela abetara na abe maninga ya kele ha Landing Bojang Jang, Landing Bojang. Mobiano, Landing Bojang, Menke Gambia Police Force Kono. Dimala Molo. But Landing Bojang na contract ala retirement wato sida. Landing Bojang, Imanson Kala contract on you renew. But Deputy IGP, because of Aka President Barola's support, because of it's a tribalist. Because of it's a tribalist, ya retaining the Gambia Police Force. Didn't know about Yamela go walla karantat. Didn't know about Yamela go walla fahamtat. Because of ala tribalism, because of ala President Barola's support, ya tanang, ya bula Gambia Police Force abije tinakang, abe nafiki yake kanje lolo. I'm not saying. Arrest me. I'll send arrest, Nalian arrest, Alien Cindy, Olungo from Albambula Olungole. If Bahum can insult our elders, if Bahum can insult an entire region, Atul Gambia Police Force, Atul Laka Bahum protect. For Akagera for sign, I'll call Cap Binten Jai, about a Sato Mento, about a Banco Menkan, for Binten Jai Menga Gambia Duty. For Binten Jai Menga Gambia Duty. But before me put a Binten Jai, police jale Pinta Jai, UDP attack. Police jale Pinta Jang. Ikono UDP be turo banna. But na mina jo koto. But if you banko kanjandam maje MPP Gambia Police Force. MPP Gambia Police Women Force. Moja jamba. Police la musolu. Iko itolu mo MPP le tijang. Ye Gambia Police Force le use. Fam moja nyem banko kamba. Is that ethical? Alka jumala nene jang. MPP Police Force. Fam moja nyem banko kanjamba. But yalon come for city olo nyundiko. One thing you should remember. Cabinet changes kana. Be memo interior minister. Abulai Sanya. Abulai Sanya mantra Gambia Police Force. Ya bay Gambia Police Force because komile kada iko opposition olem. He was an opposition. Turo jaune. Amantra army. Ya bay because opposition olem mat. B, the deputy IGP operation, Pata Jallo, ya baila nung because minaka the opposition on mat. All those people were sacked from the government. But today, where are they? IGP today, where are they? And if you people are talking about ethics, and I want us to go by this. Ethics. Ethics. Is Gambia Police Force ethical? But see they do it. It from B. You were the head of the immigration. But today, who is your wife? And do you marry that guy before you come to the police? And what was the reason of marrying that person? I don't want to go so personal. Is that ethical? Is that ethical? And because of that, that is why today you are the IGP of this country. Because you have never been in the police. There are Mojelebe Gambia Police Force. They are competent, they can be IGP. But because of the nepotistic action, because of the nepotistic system, that is why Yebon the immigration, Yesamana Munto, Yesamanang Gambia Police Force, because of nepotism. Because of nepotism. Because of nepotism. Well, I know immigration, Gambia Police Force because of nepotism. Is that ethical? Is that ethical? President of Bitang. President of Bitang. I owe someone IGP. What is the reason I IGP? What is the reason I have immigration? I have someone IGP. What was the reason? Who are you fooling? Because of President of Bitang Mood. Is that ethical? Let's ask ourselves. Follow. Ethical. But my own brother, King Koli, I respect him very well. But for King Koli, man, President Baro Bama Mutajam Bama Tibang. Is that ethical? The President Obama, King Koli Wola Mutajam, President Obama, King Koli Woleta Ayamutajam Bati. When he's serving in the police And the police is talking about ethical. For what ethical Taliban? Kimuna bro, I respect him so much. But let's ask ourselves, is that ethical? Allah nyo nyun ka tonya la way. Tonya drong na adama dung benyim banko kanjang. Tonya drong. Ebe balula wala. Bintan jaye memfo. I mean for me along is political. Only hypocrites. Na fikolu. Wodo na ka foko bindale kuma ka memfo is ethical. It's not ethical. Na fikolu. Mul me along ko mo lef ballo tonya la, il lef taka balu faniale la. Il lef taka balu faniale la. Nyimbango kanjang. Nyimbango kanjang. Agal. Alka juma len ne jam. Alka juma len ne. Bintaye memfo. Binta la wululalu ibota kiyan. Binta bota kiyan. Ba hume kiyan kol neng. Anu binta mu kiyan kolet. Anu binta kabela ka jabi. Aya koinda male. Nge jabi le because nta bota kiyan. Na figol ka fugo is a political language. How can that be a political language? Okay. So when you are an officer, and when they came and attack your village, so you should not take any step because you are an officer. I think the police are there to defend. But neatara, binda memfo, ajawe ata sign, or binda manya naka bahum respond. Why should Gambia police force? Minatin ale bahum commandi. Minatin ale bahum commandi. Because let's say now, for example, binda be memfo come from is a police officer. The way binda bahum address nyame. Minatam bita wala. Minatam bita wala. Bintaye bahum address nyaming. Minatam bita wala police be address women di la bahum la. But because nafiki yani wulu ya fodron wala beje. Because the malefaka tonya bambandi. Because they are ungrateful. Those who are responsible to arrest Bahum and those who are responsible to keep Bahum. May I name Bahum keep for more than 48 hours. It's all hypocritical. Bahum should be kept for more than 48 hours. Bahum should face the law. Like the way you people were keeping orders. If you can arrest me and keep me for more than 72 hours, who the hell is Bahum? Why you cannot keep Bahum for more than 72 hours or 42 hours? 48 hours. But because Nafikia, because Tonya Fasa Balia, may along Albakang, I'll call the Gambia Police Force, NPP Police Force. There are officers in the Gambia Police Force who I respect, and I have utmost respect for those people. But I believe those people today, they know what is going on is injustice against Binta. It's completely injustice against Binta. Because they just want to suppress her. They just want to confuse her. And if the next minute, they will transfer her. The next minute, they will demote her. The next minute, they will threaten her. Because some of them already see her as a threat. Because Binta is going to school. Binta is learning every day. And they believe that the way the girl is, about improve Kanyaming. At the end of it, see my even overcome them. That is why Iba water word. But Binta have said nothing, Mayor Alonko. Should warrant the police force to call her for coxswain. You were telling us about ethics. How many police officers are this? A million long ago. If a cookie can jam along, it's not ethical. It's all hypocrisy. I blame hypocrisy. And I keep saying, look, I will always be in this country and speak. I will never go out. Look, I will not be. I believe it and I mean it. everyone, each and every one of us, to respect the law of the land. And that is why we respect the law of the land. And this is why we respect the police. But if the police doesn't want to be there for the Gambians, who the hell, nobody's going to respect the police. We will respect officers who respect themselves. But officers Melialonko, it may form respect. Officers Melialonko, they don't want to respect the policing of this country. We will never respect them because Ibukela Kumakangol Kanta. You cannot come out tell us how Momo is. Look, for Kiankol Manka Alfalti. Kiankol Manka Alfalti, you're going to face the full force of law. Kiang Alfamantarod. Woli Jalabelar in Kiam Bankokan. Mo Kenne Jalabelar in Kiam Bankokan. Alfa Jalabelar in Kiam Bankokan. Awo Alfa Manke Fent. Kien din kendo Jalabe Dokola Masakundakon. Kien din kendo Jalabe in Banko Safka. You want all those people to be silenced because they are serving the country? So there should be silence. Come on. So there should be silence. After seeing that, a born for nothing guy like Bahum, after reading all those kind of insult to them, so you want them to be silenced because they are in the police. You want them to be silenced because they are serving the country. So they should allow an idiots like Bahum to keep insulting them every day. Every day Bahum will be on the online. Mama Kanda is an humanizer. Loa Usendabo is a drunkard. These are the words of Bahum every day in social media. Who the hell is Bahum? Why Gambia Police Force? Ite me along ite city. Eko momo e alfal bunya balajang. Usonu manka alfal. Mama Kanda manka alfal tibang. But abe na fiki ya ken seng. Ika memfa mantareto. It's all hypocrisy. And we know all what is going on in the Gambia Police Force. There are officers in the Gambia Police Force. They respect the law and they respect the citizens. Ya banko dung bunya, ya banko dung respect ya lua bunya. Ibe Gambia Police Force. And they don't scare anybody. Iman sila mola, they will always do the right thing. But all what is going on is all politically motivated. Yes. Ka alfal neng. Ka Gambian goal na lulung. Ibe alfal nena. Lulung ibe Gambian goal nena. Lulung ibe Gambia political party na don call nena. We can't manute you an island. And the same person menka nyin nendroke. Lulung and Minister of Works benyoka. Ibrahim Silla. Anu Ibrahim Silla nyol lekata. Anu wol lekata every day. Every day anu wol lekata. Ibrahim Silla nyol. Anu wol leka boy anu wol leka wuli. Any MPP program wa beje alonko Bahum beje. They are celebrating him, they are protecting him, they are doing everything for him. This is why Bahum doesn't care. He doesn't care about anyone. Because he feels like he's above the law. And they don't arrest Bahum. Yatani mulako Bahum is even arrested. Ekoye Bahum commandile. Kabitole Bahum commandi. Bahum fongole a safe ala social media to. Ko police ya commandile. Kabri ya commandi. Ya warn. Ya bail. Eka report sama. That was a statement of Bahum on a Facebook page. Bahum ya wolf. Bahum ya wolf. Lolong ani to laka boy ani ka wul. Because of Bahum NPP lete. As a Gambian call ne lolong kuta balala koto. Kono CDM for tonyante. MM for manke tonyante. If Bahum is not facing the law, if Bahum was not detained for more than 48 hours, so this means go CDM for mantareto. You are just ibe sugar coated in. You don't mean your words. You don't mean your words. And the next thing you want, I left a bintaleta ka binta batandi. I left a bintaletora. I left a kanyimbela bintalakang. Because of speaking her mind. Somebody who spoke her mind. Alia common alkalka suppressle. Alkalka confusingly. But one thing I believe Binta is a very strong woman. Musole Meyalong, she is very strong. And she always believes in our words. And I am advising Binta Kanela post delete. Don't delete your post. If they won't, let them dismiss you. Go. Be the Interior Minister, Abulai Sonko. Abulai Sanyang. When the government was coming, Abulai Sanyang was dismissed from the police. Ya Abulai Sanyang bay num police le. Kabri yung government kana. But kabri yung government na Abulai Sanyang mang IGP. Amang deputy IGP. Amang IGP. Be among Interior Minister. So wala nang ko Binta Mbafulay, try to be strong. Don't fear no one. Just only believe in your education. Believe in your papers. Believe in your papers. Leila Kaitola, Laila Educationola. Don't fear anyone. Don't fear anyone. They only want to confuse you. They only want to suppress you, but your day is coming. A day. They will be under you. You will laugh at them. They will worship you. Those days are coming. There are people in the office today, in the police force today. They were part of the people. Where are those people today? Sidi, when this government was coming, you were in Istimo. You want to live in Istimo because the system was not good for you. And you were in Istimo. Kabre mole keloke, Masakunda Falinta, Utumola Yed commanding and back, and Yek Immigration Director. And you were serving as an immigration director. But because of nepotism, wala atina B, IGP of police. When there are people at the police, they can be IGP. But you're all suppressed, you're all bully. You take IGP because of nepotism. And that is why Ekoka Kumandima for Gambian call. But Gambians could know that who you are. Gambians know you don't mean it. Because if you mean it, Bahum should be under police detention for more than 48 hours. But you don't mean it. Ima mean. Ibe sugar court in Dronella. Ibe sugar court in Dronella. You are only doing sugar coating. But men for the Gambian call all of they are coming back there. The dictatorship is coming back. All the system the same system is what they want to do. Because I know all what happened during even this last by-election in Masembe. In last by-election in Masembe, the way NPP behave, you might imagine. The way they behave. They thought they are above the law. They think they are above the law. That's what they think. But one thing I am saying, Nyimbango Kanjang, nobody can silence us. Never. Mbota menkono, ilafaka murundi wala kono. Mbota menkono, ilafaka murundi wala kono. Nal malon safale. But one thing I said, we should be ready for them. We should be ready for them. Because one thing they may know in Indiko, the Gambia police force, Jang. There were police officers mele alongo ifintita ikobe UDP called Bayfala. You mana mo kalam ta jang? Alkal Conte, Afinta Janai, he was celebrating. It only more order. Put a tear gas of fight Usundable Sokono. Alkal Conte was never called for coxswain in Banco Kanjang. There were 2 police officers, Melialongo, Afinta in Banco Kanjane. 2 police officers. Melialongo, Afinta in Banco Kanjan. Your UDP threatening, you come over for UDP. But like I said, we must be ready to fight against these people. My final message to Binta. You are a sister. You are someone Mayalongo. Gambians are proud of you. Stay strong. Believe in yourself. Believe in your education. Believe in your papers. Allah the Almighty is always going to be with you. Don't fear no one. Don't delete your post. Because your post meant for you mean it. You have to defend your community. You have to defend your area. You have to defend your village. You have to defend your parents. Any insult to the people of Kiang, you are part of it. Your parents are part of it. So defending them is your right. Même for la binte wala mnyintiko. Kana sila bi, kana sila sama. Lunkili man kelunti. Bi molbe policiala la bi. Kunun nung. Yin sifale soto. I alata. Bi ale palas bunyaran di wala. Ni ata ila karangole sila. Yete ita karang. Ni la sobeya ale sila. Afoye sobeya. Ni atara. Gambian kolu. Ye kanu nyameng. Gambian kolu ye bunya nyameng. Wale sila. Afoye ye fam bunya. Gambian kolu be bunya lale. Gambian kolu be respect la. Ni atara. Mewme ye sila ila kwoto. Afoye ko. Ilat alala. And you believe in who you are. Ñinan ko me ya lon ko lefta kafu jam mol yaal moy. We will always stand with you, Binta. Lumman tanana. Na lonko amanke damati. Na lonko amanke damati. Bon lata ko. Ini momo be nyin kelo kono. Ala be tallal yele. Baring albe alala fe, albe tonya la fe, anu momo be tonya fe e marini alalam. Momo ya lon ko be tonya fe e marini alalam. Binta, ise sabari. Ise la. Ise sabari. E man fengo do soro. Bi. Ni sabarta ilata alala alabadi lela. Nimme malala londola. Fo amariko atelata palaso lela. Nimme malla tonyala. Amariko atebe balula faniala. Wallahi. Lumbesila. ala be kito tela ini momo tema me ya lonko alafta balu la fanyalla me ya lonko alafta ka balu palaso la doron. My sister, stay strong. Be who you are. Now but ala betar le fele bi iznillah. It's so painful, but it will be okay. Gambian people will stand with you. Gambian kolbe lole fele. Na lon le bi. Ebe tala deto kono. Because ye tonya le fo. Because ebe tonya le fe. Ini momo be kelo nyin kono. Al si sabari. Ale ala muta. Wallahi momo be tonya fe ala betar le fele. Ni momo be tonya fe imanyana silala. Momo be tonya fe imanyana silala. Anu njigida ko ibe tonya le fe kana sila. Ala be fa sala ala betar le fe bi iznillah. Medan la jang Fashama inshallah. Na audio jama balle musoto from the MPP, even against me. But Sama inshallah, I will come live. Kela audio play. Aliye la moila ibe kuma kamal mel fokan. And inshallah, tomorrow I'll come live to tell you, call me 𝒘𝒄𝒄𝒏. They are calling me a rebel. Because ila audio tara viral. Ndamandna audio to make them important at some point. But it's also important because ila audio tara viral mina le kafo Gambian kole. One by one. This was not the Gambia we fought for. Namina mirako bi. Gambia police force meya lonko. Iko, there was a security reform. Namina mira. Because that Gambia police force will be a political force today. But coming même for the wrong, a better baby is President Barrow. He's a brother. I respect him as a brother. But même baby can atleba koma. Is the president behind everything. Police will be même baby deputy IGP of police. Sidi Toure, IGP of police, it will never come. This two. Because men kata wala mnyundiko, deputy IGP of police, alafta IGP yal. Sidi Toure ya mirako, na mang President Barrow la politiko fasa, na NPP nkoluma, President Barrow tabita ya jibela, abamuta la bondi palasoto wala tinne bi bebe lorin president Barrow president Barrow left men e kawleke NPP left men e kawleke Sidi Njai left men e kawleke Demba Sabal left men e kawleke Sidi Touré left men Sidi Cissé left men e kawleke NPP ko left men e kawleke. There are a lot of things mele alongo saman be will be for that inshallah because man left in video in fenjakasla not like a diamu Gambia police force the hypocritical nature of Gambia police force. If Gambia police force can arrest me for more than 72 hours, they can arrest Ibrahim Adiba for more than 48 hours. They can arrest Madi Cissé, Madi Jobade for more than 48 hours. They can arrest Alaji Bambo for more than 48 hours. They can arrest Mamadou Sabali for more than 48 hours. Who is Baboucarr Bakhoum? Gambia police force ko itolio commandi. And Baboucarr Bakhoum did not even spend even an hour with the police. What kind of coxoning is that? What kind of coxoning is that? But we are still waiting. But like I said, if Baboucarr Bakhoum is above the law, fine. Let him be above the law. But Tonyabe Sabatla, inshallah, Tonyabe Folaleb Iznillah. I'm going to step here for tonight, inshallah. Tomorrow, hopefully the same time, or before this, Mina to give you what happened in Masembe. All what happened in Masembe, Mina ke file one by one for Gambians to understand whether we should allow NPP governments to continue in this country. For Gambians to understand, NPP Nkolu, ibe jikri minala, minaya tinna, they feel like they are democratically elected. That episode is coming tomorrow. Alabaraka bake. 𝒂𝒄𝒄𝒏𝒆𝒍. Wassalam. But Janimbe Boladro, wassalam. Thank you so much. Alabaraka.